Hey everyone, today I'm going to paint the Forbidden Sky components. I'm going to do these in a kind of steampunk style to match the game theme. I did cheat a little. I've actually spray painted these with black matte acrylic. So if you can do that, it is a whole lot easier than hand painting them. I covered the metal parts that are on the bottom of things, and I didn't paint underneath the main connectors. I literally put them flat on something and sprayed over the top, just to save yourself some trouble of taping that off. I did tape off the bottom here. I'll show you how I did that by popping up some pictures, just strips around the outside and then little squares in each corner. That was the easiest way I found to do it. And this, obviously, I taped off the main areas with some masking tape. Okay, I'm going to start with some silver acrylic. Some kitchen roll. Now this is super easy. I say this in all my videos. It's a lot easier than you probably think it is to get a really nice effect. And the easiest way to do that is by popping a little bit on your brush and wiping it off your brush. And then just hit it across so you can see where the joints are all the way here. So probably the best way to hit this is on an angle because the joints run both ways. And that's it. I'll speed this up, rinse and repeat. There's part one done, the silver. Just wanted to apologize for the noise as well. I've got the aircon on, I'm really hot in here. It's looking pretty cool so far, but it's not looking very steampunk, which is what I was going for. So I'm now going to tape off the bit that I don't want gold, and I'm going to do the same thing but with some gold. I think that's it. I'm going to untape it now and have a look, see if I like it, and if I need to add any detail anywhere else. That's part one of the Forbidden Sky repaint. I'm going to split it up. I think these are going to take quite a while. I don't want the video to get too boring for you, but if you want to do your rocket ship, that's it. Choose your own style. You don't necessarily have to copy me. I'm thinking of doing the base here gold also, just to break that up a little bit and see what it looks like. So if it's like that in the pictures at the end, that's why. Just feels like it's maybe too silver heavy at that end. Main thing to remember, make sure you tape off the windows because that is going to be a nightmare for you to get the paint off. And yeah, do it your own scheme, however you like it. I like that sort of steampunk look, so that's why I have done it like that. I will pop some pictures up now so that you can see how it ended up. I am going to do that gold, I've just decided. I feel like it might look a little bit like a booster as well, so that'll be cool. Yeah, Forbidden Sky, really cool little game. Third in my collection. I love Matt Leacock games. I buy it, it doesn't matter what it is. If it's got his name on the box, I bought it. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. If you haven't subscribed, give a girl some help. That would be awesome. And I'll be doing the rest of these in an upcoming video. Nerfenstein out.